Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching and tuning in to Not Your Father's Capital. And today, another video, we're going to talk about Dogecoin, all right? And Dogecoin in the month of February has been very turbulent. We've seen very strong gains into the green, and also we've seen basically the giving back of those gains, all right? So now what I want to talk to you guys is some of the technical data supporting the case, therefore, if Dogecoin price will get any better, okay? So that's what I got for you guys. I'm going to share with you guys what is going on with Dogecoin, so you're going to want to stick around the end of this video, hit that subscribe button, and let's get down to it. All right, so quickly, if we look at the crypto bubbles, you can kind of see Dogecoin is up 2.3% on the day. All right, so kind of following the lead with all the other cryptos, just trending in the green and up on the day. However, very modest as it relates to some of the more smaller cap cryptos where we've seen bigger gains and bigger reaction to what we are getting into some slightly hawkish data coming from inflation reports, okay? So when we talk about Dogecoin, all right, so it is basically down 40% on the year, and we've given back our monthly gains. However, Dogecoin has gotten some very strong momentum stemming from the Super Bowl and some Elon Musk news with their payment processing on Twitter once further. However, when it comes to Dogecoin, it is definitely a very volatile crypto when everybody kind of likes to trade the non-technical side of Dogecoin, if you will. The fundamentals are kind of more on the back burner unless it is something where people are playing the whale game, okay? So that's all I got for you on the price, but let's get down into the more technicals with the month that Doge is having, okay? So basically, we have began a relief rally from a previous breakdown and have started to retest the support level since that breakdown, all right? So we have traded basically sniffing that 10 cents level as it relates to Dogecoin, all right, stemming back to February 5th. However, the price was not able to break through that threshold and has since retreated back into the 8 cents level that we are currently at, okay? So when we talk about the factors that are influencing that and contributing to that price action with Doge, we are seeing the RSI data decreasing below 50. All right, so this is more of a bearish trend, increasing the validity of this breakdown we've seen with Dogecoin. All right, so now what we are talking about, if we could see Dogecoin bouncing back and validating that support line. But basically, that is yet to be seen. We are seeing it right here as we have given back. You can see this big sell-off right here on the chart. And this level right here is kind of what we're looking at because we could basically drop down into these the sixes, okay, and that would be at the 0.66 level, and that would be the year's lowest price for 2023 as it relates to Dogecoin. So this is going to be a very important month to follow the charts and see what Doge is doing. We got a little relief rally stemming from just a kind of artificial pump from Elon Musk basically opening his mouth on Twitter. However, there's no really catalyst driving Dogecoin one way or the other. It's just basically community-led and community-backed right now, and that's not bad. That's not a bad thing, okay, because this community is strong. However, Dogecoin is lacking that very significant catalyst to just kind of vault them back to levels that we have not seen since 2021. Okay, so when it comes to that, we are basically all in a holding pattern, just awaiting, and we shouldn't have to wait on Elon Musk. We need something more than Elon Musk, because if you take Elon Musk out of Dogecoin, what are we left with? What are we left with as the Dogecoin community? And I don't want to be holding the bag, basically waiting for more corporate influx into Dogecoin, all right? Because that's not what it was built for, okay? So that's what I got in terms of my outlook on Dogecoin. However, we are going to talk briefly about this short-term correction we are seeing with Dogecoin, okay? And basically, this is taking the form of an ending diagonal, and you can see this in red, the sub-count wave, all right? So now when we talk about that, we are seeing basically a possible retracement to that support level in the sixes, all right? And that's what's likely. However, busting through into that 10 cents level, I think is going to have more of a psychological effect on the Dogecoin chart. And I think that would be what we need to break through this resistance, is to just get some kind of catalyst to take back that zero, all right? Because right now, all we're having is a bunch of whales making high volume, high dollar transactions and kind of just basically manipulating the charts so that they can swing profits. All right, so that's what I got for you guys with Dogecoin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stick around for more content and updates along the way surrounding your favorite cryptos. But hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. All right, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again.